Alright, so here we got the iRobot Roomba 530 model. This Roomba is great condition and it works great. Basically the battery here is used and it lasts about 25 minutes or so. So most likely you might need a new battery, but I'm showing you basically what I got here for sale. And it's up to you guys if you want to use the same battery or just buy a new battery for it. But here you go. Comes in the original box. Alright, so here we got the manuals and other paperwork. So we got the owner's manual, we got the registration card, so you can register to get some accessories with 50% off. And then some other paperwork in here. Alright. Also got two virtual walls here. These virtual walls do require 2 D-sized batteries each. And they're in great condition. Alright. Got a power supply here, or charger. This is the 120 volt charger. So obviously if you live in the other countries you might need a different one. So it's a 120 volt charger. Works great too. Also got a docking station here. And this docking station is in great condition. For more details you guys can take a look at the pictures, and if you have questions please let me know. So shows a little bit of use, but otherwise in great shape. Alright. We also got a spare brand new filter. Also a cleaning tool to clean the brushes with. And got a robot right here, got Roomba itself. Alright, so basically, like I said, it's used, it's not brand new, so it shows a little bit of use. This maybe, there's scuff right there, a couple of spots. On the pictures you guys can see a little more detail of the bumper area. Also got the soft rubber bumper stop right here. So, anyways, I'll flip it over. Show you guys underneath. So here we got a 6-legged side brush, which is in great condition. And the front wheel also in great condition here. There it says for model 530. And everything here has been cleaned and disinfected with Clorox wipes, so you get nice clean Roomba. There's a dustbin and vacuum bin. Alright, there's a serial number right there in case anybody interested in. The brushes are in pretty good shape still. The beater brush here, or bristle brush, shows a little bit of use on it, but it should be good for a while. And the beater brush here is really excellent condition, so the hairs can be easily removed. And gears on this clean head module have been cleaned out and relubed, so you get long life out of this Roomba. Like I said, the battery is used. It lasts about 25 minutes on a full charge. So I'll show you guys how it works. Hopefully the battery it's not dead. And I'll do a straight run, that way you guys see that the bumper sensors work correctly. So everything has been tested, make sure everything works fine. So here's a straight run. Alright, thanks for watching.